Hello guys, this is a FEC coming. What time the train is coming? The thing is going down. I'm getting nervous right now. FEC.
I know.
Oh, we should have seen the watermelon man was there.
FEC coming. Passing by. FEC train. I don't know what's passing by. Uh-oh. FEC. FEC train. Passing by.
It's dead.
Uh-oh. Shee! FEC PO92. 740. Woo!
Oh, look at that train! I'm gonna look at that train.
FEC.
Looking out the window.
FEC PO92 740
look at that trailer.
14. And I want y'all to subscribe to my channel, the FEC passing by, and I want y'all to subscribe to my channel and like a comment and comment down below. FEC passing by. A train, FEC. FEC 740.
The other one just broke it.
Alright.
Alright
Alright guys, it's a part TA. So we end up this train right here. It's a part TA with. It's ended. That was awesome.
There's no more trains. There's no trains.